Are you wondering if YouTube TV includes the NFL Network? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain whether you can access NFL programming through YouTube TV. If you're a football fan, you'll want to hear this. Unfortunately, YouTube TV does not currently include the NFL Network as part of its standard channel lineup. This means you won't be able to watch NFL Network's live games, analysis shows, or original programming directly through YouTube TV. However, some NFL games are broadcast on networks included in YouTube TV's package, like NBC for Sunday Night Football, or Fox for regular season games. For full access to the NFL Network, you may need to explore other services like Hulu, plus Live TV, Sling TV, or streaming apps like NFL Plus. Additionally, you can use an antenna to pick up over-the-air broadcasts of local games. If this video helped you understand whether YouTube TV includes the NFL Network, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.